Welcome to the Manage Children page. Here you can view your child's reservation and enrollment status. To begin the enrollment process, make sure your child is already reserved. Then click the Enroll button. After clicking Enroll, you'll be prompted to select your preferred payment terms. You can choose from 1, 2, 4, or 10 payments. Please note, for all options other than the one payment plan, there will be an additional surcharge. Once you've selected your payment plan, a breakdown of payments will be shown. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the available payment options. You can either pay through DragonPay or make a direct bank deposit to Pace Academy's bank account. If you choose to direct deposit, you'll need to take a screenshot of the transaction or a photo of the bank deposit slip and upload it here. Once you've uploaded the image, simply click Enroll to complete your transaction. Your child's enrollment status will update immediately. If paying with DragonPay, choose from the available payment methods. A new tab will open. Just follow the instructions to complete your payment. Once your payment is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email and your child's enrollment status will be updated. Please note, using the DragonPay payment channel may incur a minimal service fee. Thank you for using Pace Academy's online enrollment system.